Hello friends, thanks for watching. Today we're going to talk about one of the useful features of the 2025 Dacia Logan, the air recirculation function inside the cabin. In most cars, including the new Logan, there's a button on the dashboard with an icon showing a car and a U-shaped arrow. This button controls the air recirculation. How does it work? When you press this button, the system stops drawing in outside air. The fans start circulating only the air that is already inside the cabin. This mode is especially useful in two situations. First, when driving through areas with dusty or unpleasant air. Second, when you need to quickly heat up or cool down the interior. However, keep in mind if recirculation is used for too long, the windows may fog up. So as soon as the cabin feels comfortable, it's recommended to switch back to the normal ventilation mode. In the 2025 Dacia Logan, everything is designed to be simple and intuitive, so managing the cabin climate is as convenient as possible.